Greetings, viewers. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the easy way to fix poor internet connections on your devices. We'll learn how to create a powerful SSH UDP account on the SSH Ocean website. This method will help boost and improve internet speed by overcoming poor connections. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing SSH Ocean. To begin, open any search engine like Google and search for SSH Ocean. Click on the website link to access the SSH Ocean homepage. Step 2. Navigating to Services. On the SSH Ocean homepage, look for the three-line icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Services to proceed. Step 3. Selecting SSH UDP Custom. Among the available service options, choose SSH UDP Custom. Step 4. Choosing Preferred Location. On the SSH UDP Custom page, you will see a list of available locations. Select your preferred location by clicking on the Select Location button next to it. Step 5. Verifying server status and creating account. Verify if the chosen server is online and has available accounts. If it meets the criteria, click on the Create button to proceed. Step 6. Entering user details. Enter a username and password for your SSH UDP account. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification, and then click on the Proceed button. Step 7. Copying account information. After a few seconds, your SSH UDP account will be created and ready to use. Simply click on the Copy button to save the account information. Step 8. Using the account in HTTP Custom. To utilize your newly created SSH UDP account, open the HTTP Custom app on your device. Locate the section where you can enter account details and paste the SSH UDP account information in the provided space. Additionally, ensure that you select the UDP option by ticking the corresponding checkbox. Once you have entered the account details and selected the UDP option, simply click on the Connect button. You can now enjoy a super speed connection with your SSH UDP account. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully created a powerful SSH UDP account on SSH Ocean. By utilizing this account, you can experience super fast, boosted internet speed on your devices. Remember to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels, which can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. That concludes our tutorial on creating a powerful SSH UDP account on SSH Ocean. I hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more educational videos.